Why is outperform hard work? Most societies assume that work must hurt to be valuable, but the modern economy, the one that generates the most wealth, the most influence, the most soft power, is driven by the exact opposite force. Ease in creation, ease in replication, ease in distribution, ease in aesthetic, humor, entertainment, design, digital architecture, and playful experimentations. The West's most powerful economic engines are built on low friction creativity, not punishment. Memes reshapes markets, influence outperform industry, aesthetic play becomes billion-dollar branding, open source, volunteer architect, global infrastructure, young creator drive attention flows worth more than oil pipelines. If suffering produced wealth, fragile true societies will be world leaders. They are not. Ease-based societies are. Understanding why ease generates disproportionate value is key to dismantling the productive suffering bias. Ease generates leverage, pain generates linear output. Hardship-based labor produces output that is linear, non-replicable, local, personal effort dependent. Ease-based creativity produced output that is exponential, infinitely replicable, scalable, beyond any individual detached from physical constraints. A person suffering in a warehouse can lift boxes faster. A person enjoying themselves while designing a meme format can influence 20 million people in an afternoon. The economic asymmetry is not moral, it is structural. Pain caps output, ease multiplies it. The Western ease in architecture was designed on purpose. The West, Europe, and US built three foundational systems: aesthetic as commodity, design branding, taste, identity play, then creativity as infrastructure, open source, free tools, accessible education, then distribution as entertainment, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, Netflix, all low friction attention channels. This system rewards humor, attractiveness, cleverness, emotional resonance, narrative design sensibility, micro expressions of personality. All activities are fun. The architecture was deliberate. The West industrialized play, and the world pays for it. Why PSB societies reject ease-based wealth? In PSB productive suffering biased cultures, value is perceived through pain, hours, exhaustion, sacrifice, visible struggle, the moral weights of earning it. But ease-based industries break this logic. A YouTube earns more than a manager. A meme trader can move markets. A beauty influencer earns more than a bank analyst. A designer out earns a senior engineer. A teenager edits videos and buys a house. To a PSB society, these outcomes feel like cheating, so the culture protects itself through denial. That's not sustainable, that's not real work, this is just a fad. It's work in the West, but not here. It's immoral or unserious. Meanwhile, this industry generates billions. The economic consequence of not trusting is PSB societies devalue design, humor, creativity, aesthetics, personal expression, digital identity, open source contribution, individual voice, play-based productivity. These are not soft things, these are engines of modern prosperity. The refusal to trust ease leads to underinvestment in creative industries, stagnation in digital innovation, overwork instead of optimization, epidemic burnout, dependence on foreign cultural exports, brain drain, inability to build soft power. Countries that worship suffering do not create. Disney, LVMH, Chanel, Reddit, YouTube, TikTok, Pixar, Marvel. Because these things require a foundation belief, is can be legitimate. Play is not opposite of productivity, it is a prerequisite. Play is not childish. Play is not trivial. Play is not unserious. Play is how humans explore, design, prototype, experiment, and discover. Every major creativity revolution, aesthetic, philosophical, scientific, begins with someone who did not feel ashamed of these. The future belongs to the culture that understand Years is not decadence, Years is infrastructures.